there's so many other possibilities
Yeah.
of work and career that is sustainable. That
Particularly in this country.
in this
in
country,
this
yeah.
province.
Like objectively, Yellow Jackets should be a Canadian story.
100%. How do you present yourself as a female on set?
Every frame could be that one frame that makes a difference.
This is just kind of like a phase, like you'll grow out of it. I'm like, no, I'm here to stay.
Listen, you're an attractive girl, you're a little on the tall side, and you're really lucky because your hair is so flawless and luscious. And then luscious was weird.
The aging thing, I mean, this is why the substance is so relevant.
It took me until like 2 weeks ago to realize you can get paid for this video. You were
You
sick?
guys are getting paid?
Because I always say, I'm like, oh, well, we're not saving lives on set. Like, it's not a big deal. But you know what? We kind of are.
I'm in the film industry, like I'm the cool kid.
I just started putting on shows for my family and making them like buy tickets. And yeah.
I was a
producer. It was a business.